Well, welcome to part two of our goji berries. We'll be right back after the break.
This video covers harvesting goji berries, best tips, and this is how to grow organic goji berry part 2.
Well, good morning. Our goji berries have really taken off. I'm really quite pleased with them. Remember, we planted these bushes together. We planted these together back in December of 2018, and this is May the 1st of 2019. So they've only been growing for 5 months, and as you can see, they've made some real good headway. Remember me telling you about leaving plenty of room in between them. You can see how they tend to grow out and up. So they take up a lot of real estate in your permaculture area, so keep that in mind when you plant these. But these things are doing good. The deer got a hold of one of them, but we're gonna take some steps to try to deter those deer away from our plants. I may have to put some fencing around it temporarily until they get up big enough to where I can feel good enough to take them off. Anyway, the plants have got some great blooms coming out on them right now, and they've even got a few berries. And Nancy, she takes great care in keeping the thing weeded out underneath them, which is hard work. And the hardest part of raising these is you have to get up underneath these plants and keep the weeds out of it, because that's just going to starve the plant for all its nutrients. So she does a good job of staying on top of that and keeping it weeded. So I thought you might just want to take a quick look at the blooms, and stay tuned in the days ahead, and we'll show you the progression of these until we get to harvest. They're doing great. A great addition to our permaculture area. We'll see you soon. Well, good morning, folks. Today we're picking goji berries. Nice harvest of goji berries. These things produce all summer long, and during in this fall, when these things go dormant, they'll die down to where they look almost dead, don't they? Mm-hmm. And we'll come back and trim them all down and cut them down real close to the ground. That way they can grow back in the next spring and do this all over again. So these are permanent bushes in our permaculture area, and we're harvesting the little berries today. Thought you'd like to see some of our goji berries. Ludi, get out of there. Well, there's a couple of ways that you can harvest these things. Nancy's picking them one at a time, 2 or 3 at a time by hand. I like to just take the whole bush, a limb, and put a tray under it like this and shake it. And you get a whole bunch of them to come off, and just like that, the real ripe ones will fall right off of there. That's kind of a quick way to do it.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
This is pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Very nutritional snack. Anyway, we had fun harvesting these. This took 7 months since we planted them until we harvested. 7 months is really not that bad of a turnaround. Actually, they've been producing for about the last month or so, but today makes 7 months since we planted them. But anyway, in the fall, these will die down and go dormant, and they look like they're almost dead, and I'll cut them off about 10 or 12 inches above the ground. I'll chop it all off and it'll flush back out in the spring and we get to do it all over again.
Mm-hmm.
Permaculture. So let me give you a little look at them up close. That's our little goji berries. So we'll be enjoying these for the next day or so. Well, longer than that, there'll be a couple of days here. So we'll be continuing to harvest these all the way out until they actually get a frost on them. So they last all summer when they start. They're prolific producers. So if you like our channel and you like watching our videos, please subscribe and be a part of our Homestead family. So until me and Nancy see you next time, always remember, by His hands we are fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. Amen.
Have a blessed day. Thank you for watching our videos. We love making them. If you like our videos, we ask you to partner with us in our mission by sharing our videos from YouTube and post from Facebook to all social medias. It really inspires and encourages us. Some great places to share is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Please like if you like this video, subscribe, click the notification button so you never miss another video. Click below for products we used in the videos, and you could also partner with us without spending a penny. We welcome your encouraging comments, prayers, and questions. And thank you for watching and sharing our videos and posts. Have a blessed day.